In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove pimples in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and load the image that contains the pimples or small skin imperfections you want to remove. Once your image is open, you can easily clean up the skin using one of Photopea's built-in retouching tools. Go to the left-hand side of your screen and locate the healing tool. Right-click on this icon to see the available healing options, and from the list, select the Spot Healing Brush tool. This tool is specifically designed for quick skin retouching. It works by automatically analyzing the surrounding pixels and blending them into the area you click on, which helps remove small blemishes like pimples while keeping the skin texture natural. Before you start removing the pimples, it is helpful to zoom into the face so you can work more precisely. To do this, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in on the area where the pimples are located. Once you are zoomed in, you need to adjust the size of the healing brush so it closely matches the size of the pimple you want to remove. You can change the brush size by clicking on the brush settings arrow at the top left corner of your screen and adjusting the size slider. Another quick method is to use the bracket keys on your keyboard to make the brush larger or smaller until it fits the pimple you want to fix. Keeping the brush size close to the size of the blemish usually gives the best results. After adjusting the brush size, simply click once on each pimple. As soon as you click, the Spot Healing Brush tool will automatically blend that area with the surrounding skin and remove the blemish smoothly. Continue clicking on each pimple one by one. For smaller pimples, reduce the brush size slightly so that the correction stays accurate and natural. By repeating this process across the face, you can quickly remove multiple pimples and improve the overall appearance of the skin without affecting the rest of the image. Once you are finished, you can zoom back out to view the full image again, and you should notice that the skin looks much smoother and cleaner while still maintaining realistic detail. And this is how you can remove pimples in Photopea.